Welcome once again on Pelelane. We've made some adjustments in the UX and UI of the website, in the user experience, in the user interface, trying, of course, to give our community the best UI as intuitive as possible, close to something that everyone knows. So now on when you come to service log, you are able to see we've categorized every service. Now you can see that under electricity, these are the issues that are logged. Police deliver. So we are really working hard in sorting out the data behind. Um, just out of curiosity, I would like to let you know that this is made in big data in mind. So we are really thinking of scaling already in our initial phase. So we've also made a huge improvement on the news. News are now as close to real as publishing time. So as soon as it get published, we get it right into our app exact that time as it published. So for now, we've been testing it in News 24. We can see that the latest news or what everyone is talking about, it's the woman who died after being allegedly run over by a truck and pick it up. So we can now, this is the story. It happened yesterday in the 1st of March. So for a moment ngisho ngathi lana kungase cash bill lapha ngase-Shoprite. So angasazi yiyo le truck na ibulale a 50-year-old who died after being hit over by a truck. Allegedly a pick it up refuse collection truck in Bogesdal, South Africa. So to read more, it's the source, it's News 24. Right. Another nice feature is that now on our app, you can also get to see the emergency services. We've made a huge change. Now they are represented really well. You can now see the operation if these people are working in a local or national. So the suicide for let's see, rainwater. So rainwater, they are just servicing Gauteng and surrounding water. So if you have issues with water supply interruptions or water quality concerns, that's their number, that's the website. You can call them directly within the app, or you can just click here and visit the website. You can also now within the Pelelani app manage your tickets. So if you have logged the tickets, this is where now you can log your tickets and see the status of your ticket based on what you have logged. We are also like the feedback from the community regarding a load shedding app. I know for the past few days, past 3 days, we haven't had load shedding, and last week we were experiencing them a lot, and that's when we were testing our site, and we were really happy to have seen that the app was able to pick up in real time if our area is currently experiencing load shedding. And let's see now, it's accurate. We are not experiencing load shedding. We can see that now the site, it's last being updated close to 5 minutes ago, which is almost in real time. So how it happens in real time, it goes and check within our API, and with the specific in API, then it returns the status. And yeah, let me not be too technical. You can also report a crime, you can click on that plus button. You can see that the app has already taken the time. So we are working with other officials in the city, senior officials, to see how we can make this better. That after the crime has been logged, you are now being able to have been received to receive assistance in real time. Not only that, there's also another feature where you'll know your businesses around your corner, what's happening around the corner. So you can also check by category and what's their description. For example, this place, it's in the Vilagazi Street. It's a very vibrant market selling craft, clothes. If you're looking for any souvenir, anything that will have to show you that you're in Soweto. So this store, that's their number. If now you'll want to know from the app how to get there, you just click this button. Then you can already see that if you have an interest in using a public transport like a train, so you can see that you get off the train, then you can walk. It's not very far. So they have a train service around the corner. You can also call them, for example. So yeah, that's it. That's where it is. You can also check the places around you. The app can also suggest or let you know that there's not very far from where you are. They have a Soweto car wash. So if now you're not using a train but you have a car wash, you can also see that this around the corner from where you're going. You can park your car there, maybe take a walk via Sofa Sonke, and then you can get to enjoy some nice meat there while your car is getting washed. The app also suggests the kind of things. This app ultimately, it will be tailored based on your preference. It will know that, okay, if you go to that area, you can do your hair there, you can do your nails that side, you can do whatever that you want in very close proximity, and give you direction, a better way to get there, what's the quickest if there's traffic, what's the review, what are the people around the area thinking, and so forth. So yes, back to emergency services. If you have any emergency, we've tried to include everything as possible, from domestic violence to social grant inquiries, disability, old age, to assist abogogo elokishini. You can also, that's the number. If people have problem with their power outages, electricity restoration services, that's the contact details. Medical emergency, ambulance, trauma care, law enforcement, reporting crimes, reporting emergencies, HIV and AIDS prevention, treatment and support, to all the way to a helpline for individuals facing suicidal thoughts, mental health. We know it's a greatest problem. We'll also include other local NPCs like Alignment Holistic Center. I know this, it's one of my favorite. Alignment Holistic Center, they do with the holistic healing. They do with a couple excursions, basically to help you forget about everything, forget about debts, forget about your kids. They just treat you to focus on yourself and align. They also sell candles. They do a lot. If you have a problem with fire-related emergencies, firefighting, basically this is your diary, your contact. And I must also mention it works offline. Um, if you wanna know more about the app, you can also click on About Us. So Iphelelani, it's your number one app to handle all those service delivery problems, from water and electricity to roads and sanitation. This is where you log issues fast. I mean fast. You can also rate the service, keep track of the progress, and let's keep our gas on point. But Iphelelani is here to show that our wood or our neighborhood, we all got each other's back. And working together, we can make things easier. Thank you.